Hello, my name is Eric Davis. I'm co-founder of Davis Tool Systems, and I'm here to show you a little bit about the Grip 360 utility handle and what makes it so special. The Grip 360 allows you to have a choice of fixed or free rotation, and you achieve free rotation by putting it into the first annular groove where the handle will spin freely, and pulling the sleeve back and putting it into the interlocking crenulations so that it is in fixed position. What do we know about fixed position is that no matter what you do, you're going to twist your arm or wrist in order to achieve the desired effect. Most tools have, all tools up to this point, have always had a fixed position handle. Makes sense. But what are the advantages of free rotation? Well, a long stroke, different angles of attack, different positions. So ergonomically, it means a lot for us. And we're capable of switching our position and operating with more efficiency. Now, let's take it down to its core and take off all of the springs and bearings. We have the ball bearing seats that are allowed. They're oversized and they provide the shear strength that allows you to go backwards and forward without it damaging it. And we have these very robust crenulations on this. What does this actually mean beyond this is, well, we show you that it is going to help you ergonomically, but let's look at application, torque, right? So in application, crenulations provide torque, so that you can have accessories that will be at a high frequency. So right now we're using 3,000 strokes of reciprocal action on the Tango 360, and we can up the amplitude by having it at a higher approach. So now we're going to put it on the oscillating multi-tool, and here you'll be able to see this is white oak. This is on a setting number 2. So just like that, we're able to cut right into it. And of course, crenulations do provide torque. Now that you see that, the other thing that is important to say is beyond this spot right here, the further you're away, the larger the stroke. So if a stroke is just a stroke, we can't go further away because then it reduces this. Unless we want to do something more, and that is we couldn't put something flexible on this either, because it would just stop once it hits that. So currently, we only have rigid tools for this. So now let's take that to the step where we wouldn't need it. This is our damping handle. It receives reciprocations, oscillations, and rotations simultaneously. And in this particular case, I can show that I can provide a distal end release for this and be able to sand and transmit that energy right off to the end, okay? And if we really wanted to get creative and a little bit more advanced at it, we could just go full power on this and put 2 of them together. So these are, of course, just prototypes, but this is about educating you about what and why the Davis Tool Systems is so great. Now, let's take that same accessory. We're going to go in line with the adapters. I'm going to go in line with this one here, and here I am in fixed position without the damping handle. So I want to sand a convex, concave curved surface. You can see that's very effective, but I can make it even more effective by putting the damping handle on, lifting it up a little bit out of the way. And you can see my hand here stays stable. So now we can show that we can receive strokes of reciprocal action and multi-tool action. So with that, come on over to davistoolsystems.com and go ahead and buy the Grip 360. This is our starter kit right here. Simple, easy, well-made, high-end, high-grade 4140 steel here. Same with the spindle and the adapter. You'll be immensely impressed with what we've got here. Thank you. Davis Tool Systems.